Hi everyone, in this episode of How Do You Do That, we're going to show you how to make different color grading versions for each clip. So as you can see here on this particular clip, we have just a standard grade, and now what I want to do is actually do my specific color grade for this shot. And then perhaps we have our customer says, oh, I want to make this look very, very warm. And then you have another customer who says, oh, I want a cooler version. So if you come over here and just do Command Y, as you can see, a color grading version was added. Then I can do a greener version, make another color grading version like this, do a bluer version, very blue version, a very warm version. You can even do a purple version. And by doing Command Y, each one is being stored for this shot. So now if I right mouse click on this particular shot here, as you can see, it shows me that there are 11 versions that were created. I can also give them specific names. For example, I can put director's version, producer's version, anything like that can be all added to that. Now if the customer says to me, can you show me all these versions next to each other so I can see which one will work the best for me? You can then click here, and now this will show me all the versions. And then if I want to look at that full screen, I can show them a small size screen, or I can show this way here. And there I can play it through and I can see all the different versions side by side. And then if the customer says, this one is the best for me, we'll click on that so the white line is around that. Then we come out of our split screen mode and we see the version displayed here as well. So for more tips and tricks like this, have a look at the other videos on our YouTube channel. And for more information about training, have a look in the comments below. Thanks a lot for watching.